getting to a place where the market doesn't reward that behavior. It's doing what the market needs and not overdoing things that's important right now. Completely agree.
I love how you said that, where the market rewards the behavior. It's good way of saying
Yes.
basically, is it returning the money that you're putting into it, right? So what we found is that we used to have to do full renovations, do it HGTV style to get the maximum value that we wanted for the property. But we found is we're cutting our budgets quite a bit. Not that we're trying to cut corners necessarily. It's just we don't have to do them nearly as nice in this kind of market, because properties still appraise pretty well. Buyers, we actually did a wholesale. It was basically just paint carpet for the most part, or paint flooring, and we ended up getting like $20,000 over what we thought we were going to get for it. It was only like $20,000 less than if we would have done a full rehab. So we made a lot more money on that deal than we would have doing a full rehab. So I think being smart with renovations these days can really maximize your profits. And when you're doing a high volume of deals, I mean, just think about if you can save 3, 5, sometimes even 10 grand on a renovation, and you're doing that with multiple renovations, that really adds up to a lot of money. Hi guys, Tony here. I hope you like what you see so far. If you like what you see so far, hit the like button, subscribe. This will get this out to more people and notify you guys when I create more videos. I'm looking to create more millionaires and more success from people like you. So keep watching and share this with anybody you think could use it. I was just kind of curious what your standard was for renovations. We still want to make our properties nice. It's not like when we rent them, they're dumps, but especially if we're selling them on the open market, we found that we just don't have to do nearly as much because buyers aren't as picky these days, just because there's not as much inventory. Have you kind of seen the same thing as well?
Oh yeah, you've probably been seeing me nod my head. I mean, yeah, it's exactly the same here in the Lehigh Valley. I've started to do a couple like select locations. There's like one zoning thing that I'm doing to change a use and other things, but it's only by very important areas. By and large, it's the same model as what you're saying that I'm doing at scale, which is just getting things to meet the standards. So getting the property up to the standard of what the marketplace demands, not over improving it, because then you're spending a lot of additional time, effort, tying up capital and scope, getting to a place where the market doesn't reward that behavior. So it's doing what the market needs and not overdoing things that's important right now. Completely agree.
I love how you said that, where the market rewards the behavior. It's good way of saying basically, is it returning the money that you're putting into it, right? So love it.
Yep.